Welcome, student. In this civics, we have two lessons, that is, our life in society and diversity in society. Uh, Here, in this point, in these two lessons, we have to learn about the society. That is, the things these are to develop an attitude of respect for rules and discipline through mutual cooperations between the various sections of the society. Okay, there we should increase the understanding of the people among the people to uh, increase the mutual cooperations uh, of the various sections of the society. So if it is increased, then the clashes in the society will reduces. The understanding that individuals, families, and the institutions together make up a society. So the formation of the society is belongs is the uh, 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 the formation of the society belongs to the individuals, families, and institutions, society institutions. So both these three components are very important to build up one indigenous society. To be able to see that although there are people who speak different language and follow the different religions in India, there is a unity among them all. Okay, so there are the many variations or varieties of the people having the different religion, customs, and rituals lived together in India. So in Mumbai, I have experienced that in Mumbai we have a chal. We lived in a chal. In that chal, there are many different society persons lived in that chal. So there are Christians, there are Gujaratis, there are the people belongs to the Konkan. Those so they belongs to the different culture, and we have having a good relations with them all. So in Diwali we celebrate that Diwali functions on a large scale with the happiness, and in that we make sweets in at our home. My mother make that sweets like chakli, laddu, different laddus, chakli, and different Diwali items, that chivda, uh, karanji, anarse. So these Diwali items are made up by my mother, and we send these sweets in the thalis to whole families of the chal, including Christian families. We have two Christian families and three Gujaratis. Two two members belongs to the Konkan area. So we sent our thali of Diwali sweets to all these members, to all these child members, to their families, and they also, the Christian family also sent us their sweets in the Natal. So this togetherness created in the diversified societies. These cultures come together and form a strong society, Indian society, that is belong to the same national feelings. Okay, to be able to see that although there are people who speak different language and following the different religion in India, they are unity. There is unity among them all. So in we have an example in Mumbai also. In Mumbai there are many people who lived. There are Nepali Gorkhas, there are Bhaiyas of Uttar Pradesh, there are the Gujaratis who dominate in the share market. They have indigenous business. They have strong hold on the business. There are Parsis, there are Konkanis, there are Tamilians who are better in a hotel industries. So these are whole India represent themselves, whole Indian peoples represent themselves having some share in Mumbai. Okay. So there we have different societies come together and lived at the different places to understand the necessity for equality of all religion for the sake of national unity. This belief of tolerance and understanding to each other created the feelings of national unity among the people. Okay, and this is the power of India. Okay. These comprise a variety of culture leads the foundations of the strongness or oneness of the nations. Okay. So this becomes the so India created the values that the unity in diversity through their culture, rituals, and other other things, or living style of Indian people. Okay. So here are some important points that gives us an important knowledge. The social nature of man. Here is a man is a social animal, so he can't live alone. So he needs the other members of the society because his needs are fulfilled in the society. So man is a social animal, so he has to understand the others views also, and he has to follow the tolerance with the other people who had a different religion, different culture, different rituals, and having the different habit of living. uh, this diversity created the feeling of the tolerance. Okay. And it creates the different identical unique society in the whole world. The whole world having an knowledge. They are interested to take a knowledge about the Indian people, how these different languages, different cultural, different belongings to the different rituals, people lived together. So they come in India to understand the process of living. Okay. So here we develop the nature of understanding tolerance. So this leads for the society of oneness. Okay. So here you have to write down all the exercises, read that exercises, because questions are belonging to the exercise, or we can say in the belonging to the lesson. Okay. So first read the lesson, so each and every point come into knowledge of you. Okay. So don't trust on the uh, digest. Digest is useful, but not trust fully on the digest. So you have to read all the lessons thoroughly. It will benefited you in the unit test. Okay. So students, we will now stop here. These papers are about the history, civics and geography. Okay. We have totally separate. We have single paper of the civics and single paper of the history and single paper of the geography. These all comprise in the one papers. Okay. So we will stop here.